How's it going, everybody? In today's video, I want to show you how to use cashback websites so you can literally get free money every time you shop online. As you guys know, I do eBay dropshipping, which means that I buy a lot of items from retail websites like HomeDepot.com or Walmart.com. And these cashback websites are another way to squeeze out a little bit more profit on all of my orders. And when you're in a business like this with high volume, every percentage increase in profit makes a big difference. So I want to show you guys exactly how to utilize these cashback websites, which ones I like the best, and how much money I'm making from them. So this is an example of a cashback website. This is my favorite website for cashback. It's called givingassistant.com. And all you do on this website is you find in this website the store that you want to shop on. So for instance, here we see Home Depot or Target or House.com. And then you click on the link in Giving Assistant. It brings you to that website, and then you get cash back just for going through that link. Now, before you do this though, there's some things you have to do to make sure that it's all set up correctly. Because it's important that the website, Giving Assistant, registers that you do in fact make a purchase on the other website. Because if it doesn't, then you're not going to get your cash back. So this is what I do to always make sure that those purchases are registered. First, I always go incognito in the Chrome browser. I just find that it helps register those sales much more frequently than if I had not been using incognito. Then what you do is you go over to the retailer's website that you want to make the purchase from. In this case, it's HomeDepot.com. And you want to log in and go to the cart and make sure that's empty. You always want to start with an empty cart. So right here, we see it's empty. Great. So now I'm going to close this and I'm going to go to my cashback website. And again, Giving Assistant is my favorite website. If you're just coming here for the first time, you're going to want to sign in. There is a link to this website in the description of this video. That is an affiliate link, but it doesn't cost you guys anything extra to use it. In fact, if you do use it, you're going to get $5 just for signing up and using it for the first time. So check that out. If you like it, it's my favorite cashback website. Once you're on givingassistant.com, all you're going to do is come over to the search bar and type in the name of the retailer you want to shop from. In this case, Home Depot. And I'll click here. And once it comes up, it's going to show you how much in cash back you can receive just for clicking on this link. You'll see it says 8% cash back. Now, this is up to 8% cash back. So what you want to do is where it has this I, click on that because it's going to tell you when this applies and when it doesn't. So here it says cashback breakdown. It says standard cashback is 3%, but you get 8% cashback on certain categories like small electrics, housewares, home decor, interior furniture, and wall decor. So traditionally, you're only going to get 3% back, but you can get up to 8% back using this website. So once you're ready to make your purchase, just click on the button that says Shop Now, and it brings you right to HomeDepot.com. You just place your order as normal. It's better if you do it within a quicker time frame, like I wouldn't start and then take a break and then come back in 20 minutes and then finish the order. I find that it works better if I do it, relatively quickly. You don't have to speed through the process, but just don't take like a 20-minute break and then come back. Once you're done placing your order on Home Depot, if you then want to place another order on Home Depot, what you have to do is go back to Giving Assistant and then click on the link again. In other words, you can't click on this link, go make a purchase on Home Depot, and then make another purchase on Home Depot without first coming back to givingassistant.com. That's all you have to do. It's super simple to get 3 to 8% back on all your purchases just by clicking on this link on Giving Assistant. One extra step that just takes you a matter of seconds if you bookmark this page. Now, I wanted to show you another great website that I like to use, and it's called cashbackmonitor.com. Now, Cashback Monitor is not a cashback portal itself, but it pulls together all the different cashback websites and will show you which one has the best rates right now. So for instance, if we type in here Home Depot, and I'll put a link to Cashback Monitor in the description of this video. So I've typed in Home Depot, and here it comes up. It says Home Depot. I'm going to click on there, and it's going to show me all the different cashback websites and how much I can earn in cashback just by going to them. So in this case, Top Cashback says 12%, Mr. Rebates is 2%. So you can get an idea for yourself which one's going to pay you out the most. Now keep in mind though, that these numbers aren't always 100% accurate. So for instance, if we click this link for Top Cashback, you'll see that that 12% doesn't apply to every purchase. It applies to kitchen carts, cookware sets, furniture, wall decor, and in fact, it doesn't really even tell us here how much you'll receive if it's not in one of those categories. The other thing to keep in mind is that not every cashback website is on cashbackmonitor.com. For instance, another one of my favorite websites for cashback is Simply Best Coupon. I'll also put a link to this one in the description below. And I've said a few times that I have favorite cashback websites, Giving Assistant and Simply Best Coupon. And the reason these are my favorite are because one, they usually consistently have higher rates than other websites. And two, they consistently work better than other websites. I've tried some cashback websites, and when I go through the website, click the link to Home Depot and make my purchase, a lot of times the sales aren't registered. But these ones, Giving Assistant and Simply Best Coupon, I have found work the best. The thing I really love about Giving Assistant is that they have really great customer service. So you can actually email them if there's some orders that weren't registered, and they'll look into it and then apply a credit to your account. I've always found that they're really responsive and they get back to me really quickly. And of all the ones I've dealt with, they have the best customer service, which is why they're my favorite. Now, I kind of wanted to give you an idea of how much you could actually earn using these cashback websites. So this is the dashboard for my Simply Best Coupon account. And I only started using this one more recently. So you'll see that pending, I have $1,800 worth of cashback pending. And I have $170 worth that were approved. So what that means is that when you make a purchase on your retailer's website, let's say Home Depot has a 90-day return policy. So if you buy an item and then it gets returned 30 days later, Simply Best Coupon or Giving Assistant are not going to give you cash back for those purchases because they were returned. So in order to make sure that you're not getting paid out before the return policy is over, they have to wait about 90 days before they pay you. So when it says pending, that's what that means. So far I've been paid $170 from them, and I'll next get paid on April 1st will be my next payment. And you'll see that there's different ways you can get paid. Here I've chosen to be paid by PayPal, and you can't be paid out unless you have $25 worth of cash back ready to be sent out. But now here we are on Giving Assistant, which is the one that I use the most, and you'll see that the total cash back that I earned was over $15,000 just in cash back from going through these websites. My next payment will be $735, and I still have $7,700 worth of cash back pending. So you'll see how quickly this can really add up. Just in cashback alone, I've made $15,000, which is really incredible if you think about it. It's free money. So this is why I absolutely love cashback websites. If you're not using them yet, you're making a big mistake because you're leaving a lot of money on the table, and it only takes a couple of minutes to set up, and then every time you use it, it only takes a few seconds to sign in and bookmark the page so you can quickly get to it. So if you want to check out any of these cashback websites, I put links to them in the description of this video. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you want to learn more about eBay dropshipping and how to make money online. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.